A wonderful scene here at Wembley. An ocean of fans descending upon the stadium for what promises to be an absolutely riveting FA Cup final. Stay tuned, we'll have all the action for you live on EA TV. At long last, the wait is over. A warm welcome to Wembley. This is Derek Ray, joined in the commentary box by Lee Dixon. And we're approaching kick-off time in what promises to be a spectacular FA Cup final. It's Newcastle United versus Wolverhampton Wanderers.
Hi Derek, well I'm biased because I'm English through and through. What a special place for a cup final this is. I absolutely love this place and those players are in for a real treat. What a chance to put your name up in lights. Really looking forward to this, I really am.
And he's through here. It's there for him. There it is. How about that for starters?
Well, what a huge moment that might be for this club. The fans are going absolutely wild.
The opening goal of the game then. Thomas. Well, sloppy in possession. Encouraging from the Wolves' point of view. Electing to cross into the centre. And looking very comfortable here. Well, a second goal for them here. Now, what can they produce on the flank? He's in here. Oh, my goodness! He's caught that so well. A goal of the highest class. Fantastic technique. Well, on they go again. Plenty of Wolves wizardry, and it's turning into a right old crowd. Lemina. Well, great read there to intercept. Thomas. Wolves with the ball once more. Possession changes hands, the interception there. Sebastian Rudy. He's showing good defensive judgment. Morgan Gibbs White. Possession one. And it crossed the touchline, so a throw in here. Cutrone. A glorious chance. Another goal! The lead grows to 4 now. A rampant display. Blistering first half display. And just look at that score. Cutrone. Lemina. Not a great pass. Oh, that's a fine pass. And a poor ball. Rossi. And using his strength to shield them. It might be. Easy meat for the goalkeeper. Well, possibilities in the centre. It might be on for them. Doing well to keep possession. And the second half underway as we reflect on a breathtaking first half showing from Wolves. Throw-ins given. Racic. Diego Rossi. Rudy. Chance to attack using width. The cut back. And in! Oh, yes! Exactly what they were hoping to produce. They've delivered the goal. Well, not too much defending going on in the grand scheme of things. 4-1. Cutrone. And dispossessed. Making excellent progress with the... Oh, in with a chance! And he's headed it in! So the current scoreline, 4-2. Lemina. Now Diego Rossi. Here's Lemina. Ezequiel Barco. And a good-looking ball. A goal! They're absolutely racing away with this. 3 to the good now. The ball rolling again in what has been an utterly one-sided match. And that's an important intervention. Outdoing his opponent. Well, he's given a corner, the referee. Well, as a defender, that will sit you down to the ground. Racic. Now, what can they produce on the flank? And he might be through here. The goalkeeper out of position and the chance from close range.
Well, when you get a present from... you have to take it to miss.
And given away. We're inside the final 5 minutes. My goodness, this has not been close at all. Shot attempted. Well, he'd be disappointed if he didn't take that one cleanly. And he's made headway. A goal! And I'll tell you what, on this sort of form, very few would lay a glove on them. And the final whistle, the cup issue is settled. A story of one side celebrating and the other distraught. And Lee, memories are being made.
Yeah, absolutely. It doesn't matter how much money you've got in the bank. Players will always look back at moments like these. These moments where you pick trophies up, you win medals. Absolutely brilliant for this group of players.
Yeah, you can see what it means to this tight-knit team. Real solidarity.
Well, it's these moments, Derek, when you get your hands on the silverware and that little medal that goes round your neck might seem small now, but you'll look back at that, show your grandkids. Absolutely superb memories these players will have of this game.
It's a special moment in the career of any footballer. And now for the trophy lift itself. The cup winners.
Yeah, it's been a long, old road to get to this point. They're going to celebrate now and certainly celebrate long into the night, I think.
There's always the element of the cup competition, but my goodness, they've taken the rough with the smooth. And now they savour the moment. And this is really special, getting to celebrate in front of your own fans, Lee.
Well, it's giving something back. These fans have travelled all over the place following their team. Now they get to join in the celebrations, go into the crowd and give them that's what I say.
Well, then it might never find its way to the trophy cabinet, Lee.
Well, all that hard work along the way in this tournament all comes together at the end when you pick the trophy up. Just look at them celebrating. A brilliant moment.
Hard work indeed, Lee. The trophy now in their possession.